आवाज नहीं सुन रहा। Yes, here it is. Welcome. मुझे यकीन है शॉर्टेज नहीं होगी। मुझे यकीन है कि शॉर्टेज नहीं होगी। देखो भाई पैनिक मार्टियर देन शो आप लोगों को भी देना है मैंने। कोई रह गया हो तो बोल देना भाई।
थैंक यू।
हाँ वन यस यस आपको उसको दे दिया। ओके गुड गुड। हाँ देखो भाई ये पूरी टीम ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है एंड कनिका जेटली एंड जेटली फाउंडेशन यू डन ए ग्रेट जॉब। ये टीम पूरी की पूरी बहुत अच्छी है। कलम इसलिए इनको दिया है और ये कलम इनके काम आएगा क्योंकि पेन इज माइटियर देन स्वॉर्ड।
थैंक यू सर।
अच्छा किसका पेन रहेगा?
तुमने पेन ले लिया? नहीं। लेकिन मैं पापा जा रहे हैं।
करेगा और एक आप करें। यू हैव डन ए गुड जॉब। ये आपके लिए है। ये ली। थैंक यू थैंक यू। बंद कर सकते हैं आप चाहें तो। थैंक यू बंद कर।
Taught Sejunanagar, I Shaheen Parveen, class teacher of PP2. We warmly welcome you all to our 8th ever. Yes, parents. Get ready because if your kids run fast today, their energy comes from us. But if they run too fast, it definitely comes from the chocolates you gave them today. Far more than what he seeks. Today's celebration is inspired by nature. Nature teaches us balance, strength, beauty and calmness. And sport teaches the same. When children run, jump, play and explore, they grow just like the tree and flowers around us. When we move, learn and play, we become stronger and happier just like nature. Now it's time for one of the most meaningful moments of our sports day, the Nature Torch Relay. Lighting up the field with hope and happiness. This shining torch marks the start of a day filled with energy and excitement. As the torch travels across the field, it carries the glow of nature, spreading message of strength, unity, warmth and spirit of evergreen charms to everyone. We now move to the formal opening of the sports day. I request our trustees to declare the meet open. A huge round of applause, please. Now I kindly request our torch bearers, Sharvi and Ahan, to come forward and place the torch at the center. Children, please step forward with your elements. Walk proudly and confidently. Following this, I invite our toddler to play the Tattva fire. Now I invite Nursery A to place Tattva water. Next, I invite Nursery to come forward and place the symbol of earth. After that, well, 1A with the symbol metal and finally PP1B to place the symbol wood. Parents, please give them a big round of applause. As these 5 elements come together, they create harmony, the same harmony we wish to see in our children. With the declaration made, our evergreen Charm Sports Day 2025, repeat after me. We promise to follow the rules of the game, to be happy and to enjoy every minute. We will cheer and motivate one another, for there is more fun in being together than in winning the game. We believe in teamwork and we believe in playing. So, let's brighten up this day in every way. Thank you, children. Discipline and graceful moments of our sports day. The March Past. Leading the group is Master Nirvan Pathak, carrying the PP1A placard, and followed by bright little stars of PP1A. Parents, give them a round of applause for them.
Good morning, everyone. How's the Josh today? So, being continued. Hello, continuing with the event, we will be, having again a competitive race for nursery, toddler, PP1, PP2 parents. Yes, are you all ready? Okay, so we have the rolling trophy there. Previous year, it won by, you remember which class? Previous year, yes, it was nursery. Previous year, it was nursery. This year, which class will take this trophy? PP1? PP2? Why toddler parents are sitting here? Huh? And that to the front row. So, again, which class? I want it go again nursery. Yes, from last 2 years it was in nursery. So this year? PP2. Let's see. Okay, why we have gathered here? Why we have all gathered here? Sports Day to cherish what? Cherish nature? Yes, okay. And to cherish, we will ask the toddler parents those who are sitting here. Okay, tell us why we have gathered here. Okay, here we are not witnessing the competition. First of all, here we are gathered to check the dedication, to cherish the participation. Yes, and each kid is coming here and participating here. That means a lot when anyone who is not running here and not able to complete the task. Yes? Yeah, I cannot see. You are here to see who is coming first? Why, Josh, you have your breakfast? No? Why? Our kids are having more, Josh. You have seen the dance? So why so low? Little more, spirit I want. So what we have gathered here to see the competition? I want everyone to say it together. We gather here to see the competition. So we gather here to witness the nation. Yes? So let's cherish it. Thanks a lot for witness to be gathered here for witnessing the participation. Yes? Okay.
Along with Supriya ma'am. We have Mrs. Anita Jaitley, Mr. Ashok Jaitley, and Dr. Ramesh sir, trustee and backbone of our school. Give a big round of applause for them.
Naki. Chal raha.
Now we have Mrs. Aisha, the zonal academic head of First Line Territories, and Mrs. Sharon, the academic head of First Line Territories. Give a big round of applause for them, please. Thank you for gracing our sports day with your presence. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am. Your support and encouragement means a lot to our little ones. Thank you so much. We now take it. Sir, we request you to please come forward and share your thought with us.
Greetings. It's a pleasure to be here because I have spent almost 42 years in the world of higher education, but whenever I get an opportunity to come here amongst these living poems, I don't waste a moment and get that here. So, not much to say because this is their day. Still, a trivia is to be shared here, which I would like to say. On 10th December 2014, something unexpected in India. An unknown person who was a social activist was awarded Nobel Peace Prize. Some idea? Kailash Satyarthi. He got Nobel Prize for Peace, an Indian, and I had the pleasure of listening to him at a book fair. One sentence that he spoke I remember always. He said, "Worst violence in this world is to curb and crush their dreams." You have to take care of their dreams, you have to take care of their imagination, and believe me, if the first few years are paid attention to, they are going to bloom into first-rate Indians. This school is doing a great job under the adminship of Kanika Jetli, ably supported by Jetli Foundation, and always there, because today I must appreciate you all. When we are in comfort zone, everybody is a king. But when we are in difficult times and how to cope with the situation, that makes all the difference. Thank you very much. Now we are entering the world of living poems, and here we go. Thank you. And great job by Sahil and Ritu.
Thank you so much, sir. That means a lot to us. Thank you so much. Your get up and sit. So we will be following the class name fast also, so you have to be very attentive. Okay, are you all ready? Yes! Let's do it, Hassan. Turn up. Everyone please stand. 52. Let's see. 52. 51. Turn up. Okay, we'll start and we'll be quick also. Be attentive. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start. Nursery. 51. 52. 51. 52. Nursery. Turn up. Turn up. 51. Nursery. 52. Nursery. 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 Let's be right. Good parents. Okay, 51. 52. 52. 51. 51. Got you. Okay, give everyone who knows parents, please encourage us to have a lot of work. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to witness a display of grace, coordination, and rhythm by our youngest stars of nursery.
And the largest octopus Pacific octopus.
The share of the atmosphere protects us
इधर कौन नहीं पूछ रहा
Good job, once again. Now, a big round of applause for Khushi. Let's show some enthusiasm.
हिंदी हरमीत कौर हरमीत कौर हरमीत कौर
Very lovely and nice to see you all. cheering for your young champions. Nothing to say from my side because this is not about cheering today. We are just encouraging them. And thank you all for being present here. We really appreciate your presence and your encouragement for our family partners. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to call. Hello everyone, good morning. Thank you so much for Karika ma'am and team for inviting me and my manager here. So first of all, it's kudos. Let's give a round of applause to the school because they have organized it so well and really happy about how good it's flowing in. Yes. And thank you parents for being actively taking part. Like I'm loving how the interaction you guys are putting in, the applause you're giving. Please continue the energy in because the kids are constantly looking up to you. As we all see, the kids are constantly looking and they're running to you. At the same time, you keep encouraging them so that they feel all motivated to take part. Yes, so thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sharon ma'am, for inspiring us all.
It's a pleasure to be part of the ceremonies here because both of them, they are doing a great job. Shaheen and Ridhima, wonderful. You saved the situation so well.
Okay, for we have Irina. Dhruv. Next we have Dhruv. Next we have Pravya. Followed by Hasini. Next we have Shakti. Next, followed with Harshit. Next we have Hassan.
लॉलीपॉप
Next, Shivanshika. Come on, parents, let's give them a big round of applause. They got their first medal and first certificate. Please keep encouraging your kids. Following, we have Raghav. Next we have Vikram.
Come
Next, Nuri. Parents, give them a big round of applause. They are so excited to show you their medals and certificate. Are you excited? Yes.
Next we have
With what interest these kids are enjoying this program, and the whole team has done a great job. They have worked so hard over the weeks. Kanika Jetli has always been great motivator for them, and Jetli Foundation always there to help them out. Always. Sports. Such vibrant colors, such enthusiasm. Rarely does one come across when one grows slightly bigger than this. They are the living poems. These are clever. Absolutely spirited.
Next we have Kriti. Followed by come on parents, please keep encouraging your kids. Next we have Keshan.
Riddhima Jetli and Shahid anchoring sport well and with such entertaining 3 hours.
Next we have Arhan, followed by next we have Arhan, followed by Ahana. Next we have Kriyan, followed by Agastya. Come on parents, let's keep encouraging our kids. Followed by Varan. Next we have Shrestha.
हाँ मम्मा पास जाएंगे अब हम मम्मा पास जाएंगे मम्मा पास चले चलो मम्मा ये क्या है
Next we have
Each effort of these kids is being appreciated by staff.
and finally
The trophies that we win in childhood, they always remain the prized possession.
मैम डिस्पर्सिंग ऑफ टॉडलर फ्रॉम another person, follow it up, give it to another person, follow it back, give it to another person. Okay, those who finish the task and come first is the winner. Okay, so divide yourself. Ma'am, we have parent race. Ma'am, we have parent race.
Our teacher was so enthusiastic.
Okay, we'll do in between. Ma'am, look, Smita ma'am, how we gonna run? How parents will run? Okay, we'll do it here. It's okay, it's okay. Make sure it is single line. Yes.
Kanika Jetli always inspires parents also
You should be in front.
and to get back to their childhood.
Ma'am, don't get
See
them.
here.
Please.
See here, the parents are there. They are ready for the race. It's a very different type of race. And
Okay, I'll tell you.
first cry in Teletops, Hegde Nagar, right?
First,
They have
there is one
bifurcated
in
education into three:
It's very simple.
sports, cultural activities,
I'm giving
then studies. अरे हमारे ज़माने में क्या होता था कि पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब और खेलोगे कूदोगे होगे खराब। जब हम 60-65 साल पहले छोटे बच्चे थे ऐसा होता था, लेकिन अब तो स्पोर्ट्स जो हैं वो पार्ट ऑफ इट है,
Then she's passed.
तो पार्ट ऑफ इट है। देखिए पेरेंट्स का उत्साह देखिए।
Okay, clear for you people? Clear?
Appears to be something interesting going on.
I want Agila ma'am, you should go there. The chain should not be broken. Okay? If the chain, I see.
I request parents to cheer for the team. Thomas cheering for Thomas.
2, 3, go! Make sure the hands are on the shoulder. Make sure the hands are on the shoulder. Make sure the hands are on the shoulder.
Appears interesting.
Make sure hands are on the shoulder.
Stop now! Come on, children!
Back to childhood.
Make sure the hands are on the shoulder.
Don't break the chain!
It's a big challenge for them.
Hands are on the shoulder.
Imagine the enthusiasm these adults have. दिल तो बच्चा है ना।
The longer the chain is, you need to be little slow down. Run, 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 run.
Come on, the chain is
It's a very tricky game. Let's see who wins. Just one left.
No, 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 on the shoulder. Sorry, disqualified. On the shoulder. On the
Final round. Who won?
The winner is nursery because they have followed it. You people are not giving the hands on the shoulder even. Yeah? So the winner is nursery. Great job, parents. So you are selected for the semi-final now. It's not, the trophy is not yours now. The PB1, PB2 race is pending. Out of that, one semi-final will be selected and then final.
Just say no. Oh, that's her. Plastic cups, plastic cups, plastic cups, just say no. Drinks with a shark. We are sick. Too much plastic. We are sick. Help us quit. What can we do? A big round of applause. Don't use poly bags. Poly bags here and there. Poly bags everywhere. Poly bags here and there. Poly bags everywhere. In the water, up in the air, on the roads and everywhere. They never die, never shine. They harm our earth, they harm our life. They harm our earth, they harm our life. So say no to poly bags. So say no to poly bags. So say no to
are Elisha, Mahira, Ashmita, Navin,
Teachers are working very hard
Jay,
to make the
Sai
program
Nandan,
successful.
Ayans, Naksh,
And the kids,
Mridakshi,
they are
and
ready.
Priksha. A huge round of applause.
They are ready.
We are sick, too much plastic, we are sick, help us quit. Where do these plastics come from? Plastic bags, plastic bags, plastic bags, just say no.
I thought it was a jellyfish.
Plastic straws, plastic straws, plastic straws, just say no. Oh, that's her. Plastic cups, plastic. Poly bags here and there. Poly bags everywhere. Poly bags here and there. Poly bags everywhere.
Next we have Ayan Manoj from Nursery A. Next we have A. Ananya from Nursery A. Please give them a big round of applause, parents. Keep cheering. Next we have Avi. So next we have Agastya VT from Nursery B. Next we have Anvit Praveen from Nursery B. Next we have Diksha. Next we have Kiyansh. Alvina. Next we have Alvina N from Nursery B. Parents, give them a big round of applause. Next we have Sheikh Mirha Fatima. Next we have Survi Surapur from Nursery B.
Why is he crying?
Next we have Dhruti Vignesh. Come on parents, let's encourage our little ones. Next we have Ishanvi Singh. Next we have Ishanvi Singhal. Thank you kids for your participation. Sai Nandan.
Push, happy.
Next we have Ayans.
And so.
Ayan song. Come on parents, let's cheer for them. Next we have Naksh Gujaran.
This person time. Come, this person time.
Next we have Azil. Next Mirha Mahir Pathan. Next we have Muhammad Aryan Alam. Next we have Niran Sangeet. Come on parents, let's encourage our little ones. They work so hard. Next we have Pranch Toro. Next we have Paramveer Jathan. Next we have Trishika Sharma. Next we have Syed Ahmadi. Next we have Smayan. A huge round of applause for our little ones for all their efforts. Thank you kids for your lovely participation. Parents, keep encouraging these kids as they got their second medal.
So the anchors, you have been asking so many questions to audience. I ask you one question: which particular characteristic of the program inspires you most? Inspires you most. Teamwork.
Clapping.
Oh, clapping. And yours? Teamwork. Yes, agreed. Cordiality is the hallmark of this program, and I think it's inching towards. You have something to say about it, Miss Kanika Jetli?
Nothing much.
Yes.
The
Not-
program is, the weather has blessed us.
Yes.
Firstly,
Yes.
the program is going in good flow.
Next we have
Huh? You have known this anchor for some time?
Yes.
Yes. How is she doing?
She's doing good.
next we have a
Very good. Her spontaneity and everything extempore is adding shine and sheen to the program. Same with Shine. Okay.
Let's all promise to keep our India clean and green. Thank you.
Thank you so much, dear Hibay and Anushka, for presenting our lovely speech. Please.
PP2, PP1 parents. Let's see who will win.
PP1 or PP2? PP2, PP1, who will win?
Who will win? Okay, 10 parents of PP1 and 10 parents of PP2. Come. 10 parents of PP2. So just see it. Hands on the shoulder, everyone. The trick is the moment the ball will fall, from that we'll start. Suppose the ball is falling here. So we'll again start from here. We are not starting from the starting. Okay? Agila, show. Start. And you are not supposed to move, Agila.
Okay, the ball should not fall.
Now it is starting from here. No, you are not. Yes.
Yes.
Okay?
No, down.
And then no, not like that. Yes. Again need to start from here. Wait. Not stand here. No touching hands. Again need to start from here. Come on, parents. Come on, look. Not hands should not. Teacher. Don't hit them. You have to bend down, ma'am. Cheating. No. Start from here again. From Dheeraj Bhau. Very good, PP1. Again, start from here.
So now this is trial for parents. How to do it. But they are so happy.
Point to be noted. Simple. Good, you have brought it up. Sir, turn that number towards you. Sir, turn your number. Okay. Are you ready? Again I tell you will form from this side. They will form from this side. First number. Okay, my kids are ready. Trial is nursery. He wants to support nursery. Okay, the first number is 12,376. 12,376. Turn number. 12,376. Turn. So, they were first. So, no, they have not turned the number. I told them to face each other. So, this is the trial. Okay, are you ready? 732. There. Another number. Okay, we'll have one more now. Another number. Teachers, please look who is doing first. Another number. 13,752. Move back. Two more turns. No, they're saying it's a tie there. So, two more chance. 20,513. 20,513. 20,513. 1,200.
see the enthusiasm
The
these
winner
parents
of
have.
trophy this
Absolutely
time.
wonderful.
Nasri again. Yeah, Nasri. I request Mr. Ashok Jaitley, please come and hand over the trophy to Nasri parents. Nasri parents, come here. Nasri parents, come here. Take the trophy. It's a rolling trophy, huh? You have to give us back. So, everyone. Yeah, Nasri is the winner for it.
हाथ नीचे करना, हाथ नीचे करना। ओके, थैंक यू।
कितना पुराना गाना है ये। रिक्की गाता था छोटा सा बच्चा, एक तिरिया। वाह। Pleasure of winning.
So I want anyone to tell me what is the theme of today's sports day. Nature. We are celebrating nature, and what are the 5 elements? 5 elements. Good. Okay. Thank you, parents. First we have Anna. Followed by Anvi. Give a big round of applause for them. Next we have Athan. followed by Fatima Sheikh.